Hi PS7 families, and welcome back to another Class Dojo tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you how you can message your child's classroom teacher or teachers. Again, it's really important that you are under your parent profile. Also, please make sure that your preferred language is set up. You can do this by going to your parent profile. You're going to go to this right key icon. You're going to scroll down to where it says languages and click your language of choice. Once that is done, you're going to go to the bottom. You're going to hit messages, and here you're going to select which teacher you would like to message. When you're ready, you're able to type a message to your child's teacher. You're going to send it. And when the teacher is able to respond, they will get back to your message as soon as possible. It is really important that you make sure to check the messages daily so that you are informed with any important information from your child's classroom teacher or classroom teachers. Thank you so much for this video, and I hope you find it helpful. Have a great day.